With our housing projects, including the gutters, the insulation, the windows, the siding, and my parents' roof being replaced, from start to finish, there are always questions that one needs to ask and have answered. Lindus was there for us. They are committed to delivering a good product, and I felt that when we had a question, and I'm very particular about getting my answers, they were there for us. They answered every question that we had regarding anything that was maybe done differently in a way that we weren't sure we understood why it was done that way. But there was always a reason and always a good answer, attention to detail. Any tweaking that needed to be done, they responded effectively, efficiently.